My hydrangea had not bloomed in 2 years. What can I do to help them bloom? Should I have the soil tested? Add a different fertilizer? They are lush and green and very big, but no blooms. Should I cut them back in the fall? And this is Joyce from Durham, North Carolina. So, Mr. John, what do you think about that?
Well, I know that there are hydrangeas that bloom on new wood, and there are hydrangeas that bloom on old wood, and I just wonder if they're cutting it back at the wrong time. That's just a thought.
And it's actually a good thought, Doc, you know this, so yeah, there's always questions and confusion about when to prune them back, when not.
Well, that and which hydrangea do you have?
Right, which we don't know.
There's so many out there now.
So many.
You know, they got those that bloom all the time, the ever blooming ones now. So it's sometimes, that's a hard question.
It is a hard question because we don't know
exactly what it
which
is.
one it is.
Which one it is.
So yeah, let's just speculate a little bit. So of course we always say get the soil tested. That will help.
Well, sure.
But yeah, if you just have lush green foliage and no blooms, I mean, what comes to mind though?
I would think it was the big leaf hydrangea.
Okay.
You know, the one that's macrophylla.
Okay. Okay.
You know, the one that has the blue and the pink.
Blue, yeah.
Because that thing sometimes can be sort of finicky about when it does bloom.
Okay.
I don't think we're going to have, mine are not going to bloom this year because they got totally killed to the ground.
Right.
And they're coming out with new growth.
Because of the because of the winter freeze.
And it's just not mature enough to have any bloom. I don't think it will.
Okay.
Have you seen any of yours with any flower buds?
Mine haven't, no.
Yeah.
It's been slow.
So dependent, but she's had that happening for 2 years.
Yeah, it's 2 years though. So it's 2 years. So
well, maybe it's been. Where's that from?
So it's Durham, North Carolina.
Oh, okay.
Right. So I'm thinking maybe the pruning, but yeah. So fertilizer,
maybe the
cold is something else to consider as well. But yeah, anytime I think about a lot of foliage though and no blooms, I always think
maybe over fertilizer. With nitrogen.
Right. That's the first thing I think about.
Yeah.
Right. Then too, coupled with environmental stresses that we talked about before.
Does she say about the light? Sun?
She does not. She does not.
So if it's real deep shade,
that's right.
It's not going to bloom as well. If
right.
you've got some morning sun.
Okay. Yeah, I was good. I'm glad you brought that up. So there you have Miss Joyce. Yeah, it would help us to know, which hydrangea we're talking about. But we do suspect pruning could be an issue, and over-fertilizing could be one as well. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.